Our modern cities, with their towering structures and relentless pace, have become concrete jungles. These urban environments, often devoid of nature, suffer from a host of environmental challenges. The heat island effect traps warmth, making summers unbearable. The constant hum of traffic and the glare of artificial lights contribute to noise and light pollution. And in winter, the lack of natural sunlight can lead to seasonal affective disorder, or SAD. On the other hand, forests are great for your health. The colors, the smells, the oxygen-rich air all help to reduce stress and make you feel healthier than if you were in the city. Forests, unlike buildings, are living organisms. They grow and change, even in the winter, when it seems like the nature is taking a break. Living Blocks is taking its inspiration from forests and healthy forest soils. Forest soils are mostly made of local minerals, roots of various plants, mycelium networks, and moss. Together, they create a composite material which is self-sustaining, resilient to weather changes, and support all the life forms that exist inside and above it, from small insects to large trees. Living Blocks is an attempt to bring a piece of the forest to the urban environment. During a short trip, we could see the wall made out of forest soil in action. It is sturdy, almost vertical, and as you can see, it's almost impossible to dig inside it. Living Blocks will be constructed out of local soils, with mixture of seeds and spores. Initial support structure will hold the soil until the plants and the mycelium will grow strong. All this to bring a bit of nature to the city. Offer spots of immersive relaxation, cooling down the environment, and just as important, increase awareness to nature and the soil, which are the basis of all life forms.